Hey guys, we're here at the World of Concrete trade show. I'm at the Diablo booth, and I'm here with my friend Steve. He's going to tell us about something new to the market that's pretty damn cool. Steve?
Hey, thanks, Rob. Steve Penn with Diablo Tools. Hey, we're excited to be at 2024 World of Concrete with a brand new amped Rebar Demon. A few years ago, we introduced a Rebar Demon masonry drill bit solution for SDS Plus and Mac with a full carbide head. So not only taking the best solution for clean concrete, but also took on rebar, can drill rebar, can continue to drill after hitting rebar. So amazing discovery, amazing breakthrough performance for the market. However, the dust is still out there on the marketplace. It's a problem.
Silica, right?
Yeah, silica. It's a problem for the environment. It's a problem for the user. It's a problem for getting a clean hole properly prepared for either mechanical, epoxy anchors. So there was opportunity for a solution out there. So we looked at it, and some of the solutions that were out there were hollow bits or vacuums or whatever, brushing,
hollow
blowing.
bits have been out, what, maybe 10 years?
Exactly.
Maybe not even?
Yeah, 10 years.
But they're weaker, right?
Yeah.
And they get clogged and the tips break.
Correct. Right. Yeah. So very limited carbide on the tip.
Yep.
Limited volume that can pass through the bit. A limited connection point. And then people were still using just standard 2 cutters and vacuums and just kind of working around it.
Right.
Well, you know, but again, now you fill up a vacuum and you still got to go. You know, there were challenges, right?
So this is your solution.
So this is our new solution, right? So we started. You know, let's just start with that. Yeah, there you go. You already got it. So we started with, you know, that full carbide head. We'll start with that. Full carbide head, again, clean concrete, reinforced concrete. It can take on rebar and drill through rebar, right? Then it's a solid, so we maintain that solid core. So we started with some flute to get that dust into that flute. And then we have a stainless steel sleeve, right? Again, for durability, all that abrasion that's going on when you're down in a hole, right? So now you can easily get to that if you need to.
Yep.
And that gets locked in.
And this just clips on. Here's your adapter.
So now your adapter,
Yep.
one adapter for SDS Plus, one adapter for SDS Max. It's just easy to install.
So one adapter fits all of these.
That's correct.
For the Plus or the Max, depending.
That's it. Right? Same size on the vacuum, right?
Yep.
So almost all the vacuums that are out there, whether they're HEPA or standard, they can adapt to that. And now you're going dust free.
So tell me price point, because I know the hollow points are pretty expensive. They're about $150 bucks.
Exactly, depending on the size. You know, you're starting out at 100, and you're just going up to 100, 150, 250.
So what is this?
Sizes. So we're targeting a price point at like $50 to $60.
Wow. Yeah. Wow, that is a game changer. That is beautiful.
So just an incredible amount of productivity gained on the job site. Labor is the most expensive on the job site. We're going to give a lot of that productivity back. We're also going to be able to save that purchase price of the solution, and we're going to be able to protect and better prepare.
So when you buy this, do you buy this or do you buy this or do you buy this?
So you will buy this.
Yep.
We will have multi-packs. So it'll include the adapter, but otherwise you'll buy this and the adapter separately.
Separate. So one adapter, you could have 5 or 10 of those, whatever you needed. Yeah,
exactly right.
And this just clicks on like that. It's a really nice system, and it spins freely in there.
Right.
And I noticed that the dust comes right through that hollow tube.
Yeah, so you can see those flutes at the top, and you can see those flutes down there at the bottom where it's pulling it out.
When will this be available to folks?
It's going to be available in the market later this spring. You know, let's call it that April, May, June time frame.
Quarter 2.
Yeah, quarter 2.
Quarter 2 probably. Okay. Steve, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Rob.
Thanks for having us out.